All right, good morning. It is now 9:50. I have to leave in about 15 minutes. I couldn't get ready on camera because this camera is so heavy, y'all. Like, I need to get like a more lightweight camera for filming. But anyways, I'm about to go to work and I'm about to do one of my good regular clients. And we're gonna see if she wanna be in the video. But if she don't wanna be in the video, I'm gonna just film behind the scenes of that. But yeah, we out. Alright, y'all. So it's like freezing cold in my shop. Like so cold. Like I have to wear a sweater because this is what I'm wearing today. But I gotta wear a sweater when I'm in here because this AC be on blast and I'm not gonna turn the heater on. So right now I'm packing up to go do vintage caramel shoot, and we're gonna do like some videos and behind the scenes and stuff like that. And I'm so excited for this, like for real though. I'm so excited. She's gonna be doing a couple of looks. We're gonna get her by the pool. We're gonna get her, all the way together, poolside. Like it's gonna be really dope. So I'm gonna just pack a little bit of my concealers. Shout out to Thread Beauty. They sent me their whole entire collection, like of every color. Right. I'm gonna do like a sweet tour or whatever, but they sent me the entire collection. Once I figure out what I'm putting in my bag, I'll be ready to go. I do not like staying here like more than I need to. And then what I like to do is I like to take all my brushes home with me so I can just clean them right after I do my clients, because I don't know what it is, but it's something different about washing your brushes in the sink for me. I like to wash my brushes in the sink, so what I like to do is just wrap all my brushes up and I like to take them home with me. I got my student that's coming on the 13th. We're gonna have a lunch and we're gonna talk about her brand and just how to get her brand together. And it's gonna be dope vibes. Like I cannot wait. Like I've been waiting for this since she even booked me. Like I'm so serious. Once I'm done cleaning up over here, I'm gonna go home, do my makeup, and I'm gonna film that too because I know you guys wanted to see another video of me doing my makeup. So I'm gonna do that. I can't wait for y'all to see all the videos and content because your girl has been really focusing like on her content, getting her content together, because I be feeling like, it's so much stuff that y'all don't know that I be doing. And it's like, it's crazy to me that I don't even be like filming it or trying to show y'all like the inside scoop of like everything that I be doing. So, cause your girl really be everywhere. Like I be trying to tell people like I really be everywhere. I really be doing everything. I do graphic design. I be getting people's brands together, and I be getting my own together. I'm a very good like friend to have, because one thing about me, I'm gonna get you together. I'm gonna make sure that you got everything set and straight. Cause one thing about me, if my growth, whether it's a little bit of growth or a lot of growth, I feel like if somebody's growth doesn't inspire you to grow, then you're doing something totally wrong. You need to change your mindset. Um, so like when I'm around people that's really doing way more than me, I get inspired for real. Like I don't be getting mad. I be really getting inspired by people because you never know like what it took to like get to where those people are, and they had to grind for it. They literally had to work hard for everything that they have. So it's like when I meet another person and they doing you know, they doing what they gotta do, that inspires me to do what I gotta do. Cause it's a lot of times where I find myself, you know, slacking, and so that's why, like, if my videos don't help you in any shape or form to, you know, get better at what you do, then I don't know what. I don't know what's gonna help you. I don't know what's gonna inspire you. And a lot of my friends are makeup artists. Shout out to my friends like Jakara, she does makeup. I have KK, she does makeup. Brittany, Kim works with me. She's amazing. She's fire. If you're in Atlanta, book with her because she is awesome. And we are really good work partners. I love working with her. Like, and she's funny too. Like, I could come in the shop and I could have a really bad day, and she'll be here and she might say something. It could be anything. She's just so funny, and she really brightens my mood and really makes me feel better. Like, if I have a bad day, and we can really talk about like all the obstacles that we be having as makeup artists. Like, it's really cool, like, for me to always be, you know, in a loop with other makeup artists. It's not a competition at all. Like, it's really just us building together, and I feel like that's important. Like, if you doing any type of beauty business, try to, you know, network with people that do the same thing as you. I know y'all ready for some YouTube tutorials. I know y'all is, because I've been waiting to do some tutorials for like the longest time. I just never really is this like in focus? Like, I be feeling like I'm not in focus. And I did my own hair. My own hair is so pretty. But shout out to my stylist though, Versatility Dynasty. She does like really good hair, and she be traveling. She be going from Vegas to Atlanta. Like, she's really, one thing I could say about her is she is a hustler. Like, she is a hustler, and I really look up to her, like, for real. Like, she does amazing work. She has really good work ethic. Her energy is everything. Like, I don't know how many times, like, she just made me feel, you know, good about myself. Like, because there's days where, you know, you could be the best makeup artist in the city, but sometimes you be feeling like, man, I need to do more. I need to do better. And she really be inspiring me to be better. So, shout outs to her. I be using alcohol, y'all, for my cleansing shop, because alcohol will clean everything, any and everything. And then you can never go wrong with some good method, because baby, this be getting my shop smelling good. And then on top of that, like, it cleans the makeup real good too. Like, when I clean my countertops, it be like some residue and stuff. It cleans my countertops real good. And I find that when I use the alcohol first, just use a little bit. I use 99% because that's the strongest. And that's going to clean everything and sanitize it at the same time. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I cannot wait to get out of here, for real, because this shoot is going to be everything. Okay, it's time to do this hair. It's time to get ready for this shoot, because this shoot is going to be amazing. I know I'm going to do my big one. So that's why I'm so excited. We gonna do this shoot so good. It's poolside. I already got the visuals. I'm about to go home and draw a little bit of how I want the look to go. But I just know that this is gonna come out so good. I just got a new batch of my business cards, and they came out so good. I designed these myself. Hit me up on my graphic page, Goddess GVDDESS on Instagram, and I'm gonna get you right, period. Shout outs to Kashai, because she is so pretty, and she always comes through for me whenever I need makeup, modeling, And then I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna actually do like a whole entire suite tour so that you guys can see like everything in here. Cause baby, it took me like maybe a year to kind of get this whole area together. And these are the cabinets. It's looking a mess today, honestly, y'all. There's me. So I'm about to get out of here because I have to clean up, and then after I clean up I gotta go because I gotta do my makeup, and then I gotta do my client's photo shoot and her video shoot because your girl is multifaceted. Okay, she knows how to do everything pretty much. So yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, so I just made it home. I'm about to get ready for this shoot and everything. My client should be on her way. All right, so my makeup is done. I'm gonna film that too because I know you guys wanted to see another video of me doing my makeup, so I'm gonna do that. I'm about to go downstairs to see my client, and we're gonna do some photos. I'm so excited for this because this is something new that I've never done, like, ever. Can't wait. Right, so we're here. Ooh, this bag is killing my shoulder, guys. So we're almost done. She has to get her next look. I cannot wait for y'all to see this because this is so new for me. Yeah. All right, so we're almost done. We just got to get a little bit of the videos on the pool, but everything looks really good, y'all. I cannot wait. I have to set up the lighting for this, so we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to set up the lights for her photo shoot, and then we're gonna get started. You a YouTuber? I'm trying to be, and I'm a photographer.
Oh, that's you? That's you, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you was vlogging or something.
I mean, if you can't get me an offer from Business Karma, then you just don't have no business calling my phone anyway. From Business Karma, then you don't even have no business calling me.
Getting desta, and I don't know what I'm getting for dessert, but I know what I'm getting for my entree.
At all because best friend here
She gonna like it
wants
though.
to try something new, different cultures, different foods.
Yep, it's gonna be good though. We're bringing our bread now.
Did I get the greens?
You didn't get greens?
Anything more?
I got greens. Did you make greens? I didn't get greens.
No. Would you like more drinks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we at the ice cream place. And the food was good, y'all.
The food was great.
My friend looks so good, y'all. Look at her. Yeah, the food was good. I got salmon. She got steak.
I got ribs.
So
This is not what I wanted, but it was good.
yeah, yours look way better than mine.
I got
told him, I said, I
caramel.
want a brownie with cookies and cream on top. This is
Oh.
not a brownie with cookies and cream on top.
That's What if you had a nut allergy? You asked for nuts?
No.
Oh no.
And then he was like, which one you want? And I was like, I want a brownie with Oreo and cookies and cream on top.